self-importance. Leading the way toward the flag, here comes Arauli House, with unwavering leadership the Captain Mayuri Dhurve leading the girls and Tanmay Munde from boys are moving their troop toward the flag.
Arauli is well known for their calm and unwavering spirit.
It represents tranquility, focus and determination.
Its blue color symbolizes peace, stability, and qualities that the members of this house embody in every endeavor they undertake.
With discipline and unity, they always work together as a force.
Now marching toward the flag, here we are welcoming Nilgiri House. Leading their house with honor and determination, the Captain Samiksha Sative from girls and Prashik Bisatre leading the boys.
Nilgiri, as it depicts the Mount Range Nilgiri, which is not only known for its natural beauty but also for its ecological significance, cultural importance and historical relevance. This house provides a unique hand-on learning experience that encourages responsibility and environment.
Its green color is inherently tied to nature and growth, which is meaningful association in educational environment.
Here come our scouts and guides dressed in their uniform with honor, each one embodying the values of loyalty and helpfulness in them.
These young individuals are the leaders of tomorrow, driven by a sense of duty and responsibilities to serve others, both within their communities and beyond.
They are not only building skills that will serve them throughout their lives but also contributing to the progress and harmony of our nation.
Moving forward, the SPC candidates are marching towards the platform.
As we watch the candidates march in perfect synchronization, it is a reminder of the hard work, training and resilience they have put into honing their skills.
Each step they take signifies their unwavering commitment to uphold the law, protect the rights of every citizen, and serve the community with honor and dignity. After this, we are all looking for Shivalik House. The captains Sanjeevni Wankhare and Prabhu Daborpare leading their house, a true symbol of leadership and commitment, now leads the way towards the flag.
As we know, the Shivalik range, the hills have been a site of religious and spiritual importance.
Its red color represents power, strength and courage. Historically, it has been used by royalty and warriors as a symbol of authority and valor.
It's also connected to both leadership and achievement. This house stands out, adding vibrancy and personality to its surroundings.
Here we can see the Udayagiri house leading their way towards the park. With strength, courage and the pride, the captain Uttagiradore and Kumar Bhagat leads the way to the flag, symbolizing their unity.
Udayagiri House, it stands to its strength and its points toward the mighty rock of Udayagiri range. It's a vital part of Indian heritage.
Yellow often symbolizes hope, joy and positivity. Just as the color yellow symbolizes light and optimism, Udayagiri is often seen as a reflection of household.
In our PMC JNV Amravati, this four-house system encourages students to engage in friendly competition, whether it's through the sport, academics or creative events. Each house competes against each other, which motivates the student to do their best and feel proud of their own contribution.
Each house contains students of all class from class 6 to